Good morning, students. In last video, I have explained you why the stars are twinkling, why the planets do not twinkle, what is the reasons of the advanced sunrise and delayed sunset, etc. And today, our discussion point will be the scattering of the light and related to the Tyndall effect. Light when pass, already you have read this one in the standard 9 or 8 class. When the light pass through a true solution, then it is not visible. But when the light pass through the colloidal particles, it is visible. This is the scattering of the light. In our daily life, there are very wonderful events depends on the scattering of the light. Why in the clear sky look blue? Why the color of the sunrise and sunset reddish in color, and many more activity, interested activity. Some of the activity which is given in your book, I will explain you. Before that, you have already read the Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect is also depends on the scattering of the light. The scattering of the light, as I have told you, in the true solutions or in the homogeneous mixture, if you pass the light in the true solution, you cannot see the path of the light or the beam of the light. But instead of the true solution, if you pass through the colloidal solution or in heterogeneous mixtures, then you can see the effect of the light. This is only the Tyndall effect. You just see in a room the fill up of the smokes, when the beam of the lights are coming through the ventilator, you can see the effect of the beam of the light, because these lights are falls on the dust particles or the smoke filled room, and it is reflected by the dust particle and smoke filled room and entering in our eyes. So we can see the effect of the light. But if the room is totally without the dust, actually without of the dust is not possible at all, but let us consider without dust, without smokes, and if a beam of light will pass, we cannot see. Why? Because the light only visible when it will be reflected by some things. If anybody will tell you, have you seen the light? That definitely your answer will be no. Light we cannot see, never. But only we can see the effect of the light. In the beginning of the light chapter, I have explained you. When the light falls on any object and it is reflected by the object and entering in our eyes, as a result we can see the effect of the light. Same thing, when the light falls on a smokes, dust particles, tiny droplets of the water, and it is reflected by them, and after reflecting it is entering in our eyes, and finally we can see. So this is the topics of the scattering of the light and the Tyndall effect. You read in your books, and if you have any problem, you must discuss with me after reopening the school. In the next video, I'll explain you many more interesting phenomenon. Why the clear sky looks blue, why the color of the sunrise and sunset in the reddish in color, and these two topics are very important for your examination. Stay home, stay safe, have a good day. Thank you.